Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I wanna compare robot vacuums, which is the Roomba i7 Plus with 980. So I have a comparison with the two of them, and I just realized one of them is not cleaning enough, and then that's why I wanna make this video. And I just bought the i7 Plus in February 2021, and I bought the 980 Roomba is 2019, and I just want to compare with the two of them and see how it goes. I just realized this I haven't found on YouTube, and that's why I want to make this video to compare two of them so you can know two of them which is the best for your home, and we'll see. 980 Roomba. It's very good actually. It's been 2 years. It's only a few scratch on the side. Well, they hitting the wall and everything, but overall it's really good conditions. And it's so the bin is in here. So it's pretty much clean. As you can see in here, it's very clean. And this is my i7 Plus, which is in this video I want to compare with the 980, but at the end of this one, because they have automatic empty bin, I don't want to get set that one up so you can see the comparison with the two. And on this one, you can put it on there. It's very clean. And I want to run this one first, the i7 Plus, and because I don't have the applications to running out all the video when they're running, because they're running within an hour or so. And after that, I want to compare with the two bins of this one and the 980. So check out later. And I want to show you how much the space I have entire the house, what they cleaned. So this is a carpets. It's very thin carpets. And then this is my back room, if you can see on my vlogs. And in here they have tiles, and they have I don't know what's that called, so they don't go over their rooms and not stuck in the bathroom. So I just put a line in there so they don't go anywhere there. So this is hot tiles, just flooring, normal tiles. And then we're going to the living room. I haven't vacuumed the house for 2 days, and see how it goes. And this is a rug. So they have a few dirt, and this is just a normal rug, which is like 1 centimeter high. And then I just remove this one so they don't get stuck. And then I have a problem with this table with the 980 because 980 always forcing to get over this bar, and they got stuck. And then I think because of the 980 is forcing to fight with the cleaning, they just like hitting every spot or bar they just want to clean, so they just like running over all the time, and then they got stuck in here, and then they got error, it's not cleaning, so you have to move another place and then press start again. With the i7 Plus, they have a map and they have a spot that you don't want to clean. So if I'm running the i7 Plus, I can put this table on the sensor and then mark not to clean so they don't get over it. But in normal, if I don't put a mark on this table, the i7 Plus won't over the limit of this. They never stuck on this, but we're gonna review the bin review, which is the best cleaning for this video. So this is just my normal rug over the tiles, and another rug on there. Nothing really much on there, but they have like a few cat fur and dust, dirt, crumbs. And that's my 980. Just over here, nothing really much on the tiles. And go over here, we'll see a yoga mat, which is to have like a kitchen mess in the mat. And then we're going over here, the pantry. And over here is the laundry, but they never clean that one. I don't really mind it. Normally I just clean that one, chuck in the cat litter back, so they don't really clean that, but they're cleaning the mess in there. So they running in this yoga mat, and this yoga mat is quite thick. It's 1.5 centimeters high, and this is 1 centimeter high. So these two have a different height, but normally they can running on here, and they have no problems. So you can see which Roomba is do better. And we have hallway in here. And I just moved these sandals elsewhere. And I put another one in there so they don't running in the rooms. And they have like a rug in here. It's very, very thin. But this is very fluffy. And this is very, very thin. Okay. So that's a welcome mat. And this is a hallway for my shoes collections. Not really important, but so yeah, that's about all. So I want to run the i7 Plus first, and then the Roomba 980. Start to work the i7 Plus. So I just run this one out. So let's see how's the bin in here. So that's what they got. It's not much, but okay. That much. That's what it got, all of them. So it's not really that much that I expected. This is what they got. And normally I just messing with this and then I vacuum with the Dyson V11. So I'm running the 980 now. So just running to clean that mess with my Dyson V11. Okay, I don't want it to be clean, so the 980 can do the job. So just cleaning that mess from the i7 Plus. So the i7 Plus running, so I just want to spot a few things that i7 Plus didn't get it. So they have like this fur is not picked up, and they still have more spot on there. It's not been picked up, even though this one is not been picked up. And then see how it go with the 980. Still get not picked up. This one is quite big, I think. Still have not picked up that one. So just running all the house, and that one's not been picked up. Cat food. And look at the laundry. So it's been picked up a few things, but they still have more spot on here and there. Going to the laundry. It's been picked up a few things in there, but it's not really that clean. You can see they still have more spot there. So, oh, this one is not, cannot be picked up, but okay, this one is out. It's easy to be picked up, but it's not being picked up. The hallways, they have like a spot there. The hallway is quite clean, but it's nothing really much to clean in here. But who knows, they have dust and everything. But it's not much dust in the bin of the i7 Plus. And then see how it go with the 980. It's finished. So let's see. So it's quite plenty of stuff there. There's still more. can see there. So there's more stuff in here. So I assume the i7 Plus is not clean as the 980 because the 980 have a superpower for suctions, which the i7 Plus doesn't have. In my opinion, I would like the 980 rather than the i7. We'll see what the 980 been doing after all this the cleaning up. And they still have more mess, but the fur in here is been gone. As you can see before, they have like a fur in here. It's been picked up by the 980. And it's not stuck today. And all in here is cleaned because they have like a few dots dirt in here. And a few here is not been picked up. It's better suctions in the carpets with the 980. We'll see around. All been clean in here. All been clean in here. The kitchen, it's much better picked up. All you can see, there's no dot in here anymore. See the kitchen. So this is the laundry. Everything there are cleaned. It's have a few things before there, and they already been cleaned and picked up but by the 980. And you can see in here is cleaner. And nothing much on the sides. There is already dark. But in here they have like a spot, really things in here is already been picked up by the 980, as you can see in the bin before. Everything is clean, perfect clean. Nothing really much on here. It's not really messy, but the messiest was what's in here. As you can see the previous video, you can see a few dots in here are not been cleaned by the i7 Plus. It's better quality in the 980. And so what do you think about the 980 and i7 Plus? In my opinion, the 980 is much better suctions, as because they have a power suction in the option. On the apps, they have 3 levels. One is the eco suction, which is just clean up. They have a medium suctions, and then they have a powerful suctions. And I always using the powerful suction because I have a cat, so I just want to make sure they are the robots clean everything in the house. Sometimes they have like a fur stuck in the corners or just like in the edge of the walls. and it's really hard to pick up if they have no suctions on the vacuums. And because of the i7 Plus, they have no suctions, they just clean up, automatic cleanup, and they have like a auto bin, which is the 980 doesn't have the automatic suction bin. In my opinion, I prefer better to keep the 980 and selling the i7 Plus, as because it's not really clean as the 980, and I expected the i7 Plus will be cleaner rather than the 980, but I didn't know the i7 Plus doesn't have the powerful suction. I thought if I pay more to buy the highest quality or the highest version of the Roomba robot, I can get that options. But I didn't know because most of the website doesn't have the review of the applications, doesn't have the opinion of how they clean up properly, or reviewing what it is, how the bin been cleaned, and comparison with the bin suction and bin clean with the 980 and 7 Plus. I just realized this like a few days ago. After I'm using the i7 Plus, I still picked up, I have still mess around the house, and that's why I'm running the 980 again, just to make sure they picked up the correct mess. And I want the house is very clean because I have 2 cats. They molding most of the time. I still can see the fur mostly in the carpets. It's not been picked up, so that's why I make this video to comparison with the i7 Plus and the 980, and that's my opinion. And I hope you know what to buy, the i7 Plus or the i7 or the 980, or whichever suits your budget and your needs. And I'll see you next time. If you like this video, please thumbs up. Thank you for watching. I'll see you next time. Ciao.